Today we are having our third annual SDG Fair, which stands for Sustainable Development Goals. They learn about issues that are affecting our community, either locally or globally, and they work towards solving those issues.
This is my first time here since I'm a freshman, but you get to learn about all the sustainability goals and how we can make something that connects to that really good. So we made them go outside.
All of our students throughout the last 4 months, they have been working on a particular problem of concern for them, and they have been trying to find solutions as to how we can make a better world for our community. Once the students find out what the issues are and how they can solve them, we actually encourage the students to continue their project. Those are the things that we really enjoy seeing, is that they're not stopping, they're continuing with those projects throughout the school year.
We made a video so we can send out to get our EcoRise grant, and then we made our 3D model or visual of how it's going to look with reusable materials. How many classes don't have windows?
I'm very proud to say that we started with our sustainability almost 3 years ago, and it's continued to grow every single year, and that's one of the things that attracts students to our campus.